A very good o'clock to all the students. Here I am Amisha ma'am, your physics teacher. Students, today I am here to start our chapter number 1, that is turning forces. In this chapter, I am going to complete few topics which are, first one you could see that torque and couple. Second one is equilibrium and principle of moment. This you can say as POM, principle of moment. Third one is numericals on torque and POM, that is principle of moment. Third one, then after fourth one is center of gravity. Fifth is uniform circular motion and centripetal and centrifugal forces. Okay. So before starting this chapter, we must know about this, what forces are. Okay. So for first example that I am going to take is about opening a door, opening a tap. If you could have observed, opening your water bottle, okay, its lid, we need a torque or couple. This you could remember, okay. Now before starting this chapter, we must know what force actually is. So force is, students, could you please tell me, is it a push only, a pull only, or you can say it is both a push or a pull? Yes, option is third one. It is both a push or a pull. So force is a push or a pull that is applied to an object which tends to move an object from its initial position. Okay. It is a push or a pull that we are applying, we are giving to an object, and just because of that, it makes the object, it tends the object to move from its initial position. That is, students, your force. Okay. Now let's discuss it further, that a force can produce what kind of motion. Have you ever thought what kind of motion is produced when, by a force? Only linear. Linear means in a straight line. Only rotational, that is to rotate to and fro. Or you can say it produces both linear and rotational motion. So students, yes, it produces both linear and rotational motion. How can force produce both rotational and transitional? Linear को आप बोल सकते हैं transitional as well. Okay. So how can force produce both transitional and rotational motion? My next question is that. See, just see a case 1 where I could have considered a rod which is completely free to move. Okay. This I have taken a rod and I am applying force in this direction, in the mid direction. Then what will happen? Rod will move. Yes, exactly. But it moves straight. That means if I am going to consider this as a rod. Okay. Now I am applying force at its midpoint. What will happen? Could you see rod moving? Yes, it is moving when I am applying force, but in a straight direction. Okay. Now if this rod I am fixing at this end, suppose now this is our rod which is fixed here. From this point it is fixed. Okay. In this second case I am talking. Rod is fixed at one end. Consider this as a rod which is fixed at this end. I have fixed it. Okay. And again I am applying the force from here. If I am applying, see, if I have put it fixed in one end and I am giving it a force here. Now on applying force, students, what will happen? Could you please observe here? If I am going to apply force, the rod will rotate, see, in this direction, means it will move SA because it is fixed from this end. So what rod will do? It will rotate SA. Is it not going in a transitional motion now? Not taking a linear motion, but it is rotating from this end. So here we could say that the end which we have fixed, जिस end पर आपने rod को fixed किया है, to that end you can say it as a fixed end or hinged or pivot, P-I-V-O-T. Okay, this is next one more name to it. This point you could consider as a hinged point or a pivot where it is fixed. Okay. And while applying force, while giving force it from here, what you could observe that the rod will rotate but not transitional motion. Okay. So from case 2, what we got is it rotates since its one end is fixed or hinged or pivot. Okay. In case 2, object starts rotating. So to rotate an object, it one end must be fixed. This you should keep in your mind while rotating an object. Just keep a end fixed. Okay. The point at which the object is fixed, the point at which you have fixed that object, that point is called pivot, P-I-V-O-T. And the object is called pivoted. What that object is called? Pivoted. Hope so. Is it clear till here? Okay.